Hey everyone, as you can see on the table, it's a Milwaukee battery. It's almost Milwaukee. We have the genuine case here because this one was dropped and then broke. So you can see that we have some broke here, and after the falling down, it just blinking. The charger not accepted. So what we are doing, we are taking out a BMS. Maybe we'll check, maybe something will move down. No, okay. So if the cells are spotted good, yeah. They are not moving, so we need to take the multimeter and test some voltage. What we have here, 1.47, 4.09, 4.09, 4.09. So it's a nice perfect pack, and probably the BMS just don't see that it's charged or something. Okay, let's try to release it from the pack. Okay, got it. Of course you can inspect it, but that will not change a lot. Okay, now we have other hope that the customer gave the good BMS here, because I have my own BMS, but if the customer gave it, so maybe it was for a reason. And that reason is very simple. Maybe the customer just bought this BMS and wants me to replace it. Just carefully pushing the pin. Okay. And you see that all pins are in the place. You can push it, tighten it, and of course solder. Okay, now we can check once again if all the pins are in place. Yep, all good. So let's solder it. Okay, now these connections, they can be spot welded, or easily, if you are doing it at home or something and you don't have the spot welder, you can just solder them and nothing bad will happen. Okay, got it in the place. Okay, we have soldered it. Now all 4 lights comes on, so that's I don't know if you can see it. All 4 is working, so that's good. I'm inserting the sticker with my logo and date when it was repaired, because if something went wrong, I will know that this battery was repaired by me and I need to do it under warranty, probably under warranty. And the top cover is definitely not looking good, but I don't know if the customer can accept it. I can accept it, but I don't know. Okay, so what we have, and probably I cannot press the button, so I need to close it a little bit more. I'm a little bit afraid. Oh, okay, it's glowing. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it on camera. Yeah, I think you can see it. So let's test it on tool. It works, so that's good. We have repaired it. Don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe if you are not subscribed. For now, bye.